this ought to be a fairly local to the Coffeyville area. There's no such thing as a home track advantage for either one of these guys.